everyone, and welcome back to Alana Kilker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this winter hat pencil topper. The supplies that you will be needing are a rainbow loom crochet hook, or not a rainbow loom crochet hook, a rainbow loom hook or a crochet hook, a monster tail, scissors, a white rubber band, bands in any choice of your color for your base of your hat. Oops, I can't get them off my finger. Okay, there we go. And your choice of color for the brim of your hat. For the first process, you are going to be taking a single band and you're going to be making X's all along your monster tail, but do not put them on these two pins. That's the only important thing. Start from the bottom and just work your way around so that it makes kind of like a rectangle shape, like this. Also, in any point of this video, if I'm going too fast, then you may stop the video and you may look back. I do not mind at all. Next, you're going to take double bands, and from now on, you're going to be using double bands unless I say otherwise. You're going to be starting from this peg, and you're going to be going around counterclockwise, again with double bands. Also, if I sound a little bit weird today, it is because I am sick, but I'm sick in all my videos. My immune system just has that talent of getting me sick when I want to post. I've been wanting to post a lot today. Haven't, but I hope this video works out. Tried to do a video of this and it didn't turn out. Okay, so now we're going to start the hooking process. Here you're going to take your bottom two bands and loop them over. Again, take the bottom two bands and loop them over. On every single pin, again except for these two, you want to loop the bottom two bands. Make sure you're not grabbing any other bands except the bottom two. Push down all your bands and return to your normal position. Next, you're going to take the bottom two again and you're going to loop them over. Again, we have not added any more bands. Just taking the bottom two and looping them over. Now we're done with the brim of your hat. Next, and it may look a little weird in process, but next we are going to take double bands again, and we are just going to go in a a clockwise rotation this time. And then we're just going to repeat the process that we have done, and you can make your hat as big or tall as any hat you want. And take the bottom two and just loop them over again. But really, it's up to you on how big your hat is going to be. And then, like we did last time, we're going to take the bottom two again and just loop them over. We have not added any more bands. My video may cut out just because I do not have a lot of storage. So, you're just going to repeat this process, and I'm just going to end now just because of video storage. You're going to keep going 3 more layers and then do this step. You're going to take, but I just have to do this for video storage. Next, you are going to take the bottom band on all of them and loop them over. sweep them over on all of them. Next, you are going to take your hook and pull all the bands onto one pin on each side. So it'll be like this. You just have 3 bands on either side, but on 2 pins, if that makes any sense. Then you're going to take your white band and you're going to cross it over both pins and pull all 3 up at once onto the white band. You should have something like that. Now you're going to take the white band and you're going to loop it over like this. Make a slip knot by taking the bottom and looping it over. Tie it all together. Pull that real tight. Oof. And then you are just going to cut the string right here. Like that. You can cut it as tiny as you want, as big as you want. Now you're just going to shape it a little bit, just come out a little bit. So mine looks a little bit funky because I didn't do it all the way, but yours will look a little bit something like this. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to Alana Kilker if you haven't already. I love and support all of you. Bye!